Welcome back to a new video of TaxPress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started and show you how to edit a header using Elementor. So to get started, first of all, I'm going to be showing you how to add the Elementor directly into your WordPress. So you must have an actual active plan for WordPress in order to add Elementor there. Once you have an active plan here into WordPress, you must have Elementor Pro. Now this might be taking a lot of money, but if you go into Elementor, my.elementor.com, you can try to upgrade Elementor using an actual website Lite with WordPress for $2, $3 per month for the first year, which I think is going to be really great. So once you have access directly here into WordPress using Elementor, it is now time to edit your header. So let's first of all understand what headers are. So headers are critical parts of your website. It can be helping you to provide navigation bar, branding elements, and in this tutorial, let's see how we can edit it. So let's go here back into WordPress. I'm going to close this and let's go and focus into our dashboard. Directly here into our dashboard, let's locate this leopard that says Elementor. To edit your header, you'll need to use Elementor Theme Builder. So from your WordPress into my dashboard, we wanted to go and look out for templates. Into templates, go for Theme Builder. So I click on it. Now, in the Theme Builder, you will see different templates like the header, there's the footer, and so much more. So if I clicked into header, you can see that we have created a header here. So as you can see, we have this Elementor header that we can edit. So I can go here into edit. If you wanted to create a new one, let's go here for add new. But in this case, I'm going to use edit the header that we currently have. So now what I want to do is to edit the elements within the header. So to click or add any element such as the logo, the navigation menu, or the buttons to customize your content and style, you just wanted to use the navigation bar into the left part. So as you can see into the upper side, this is our actual menu where we can edit our header. So this is the Elementor header. You want to focus here only into the upper side. So if I click on it, what I can do is to change, for example, the style. So the text color of my text, let's go and look out for something like this. There we go. You can edit the hover and the active. So my hover should be, let's say, something black. And the pointer color should be exactly the same. So check out how it's actually looking when I moved my mouse. There we go. Now let's go back directly in here, and the drop down, you can try to change the color of the drop down. In that case, I think it actually works like it. Into the menu, if you don't have a menu, you can go into menu screen, so you can manage your menu and create one or two. Now what I want to be doing here is to try to change the pointer width and the toggle button to add much more elements here. So I can add my site logo, let's say around here. So my site logo should be this one, and I can change the image resolution as just a thumbnail. So this thumbnail should be in the upper side of my header. There we go. Doesn't look that bad. I think that I can make this a little bit much more smaller. So if I go for custom, we can go for, let's say, 10 and hit now into apply. So this one should be actually look really small, but this is just an example of what you can do. So let's go and look out for 50 by 50. Much more interesting, right? So my header doesn't look that bad anymore. Now let's go here inside my total header once again. And if I wanted to edit the full section here, what I can do is to go back into the upper side, and into advanced I can change the color of it. You have even the scrolling effect if you wanted to add it, if you wanted to edit it, or so on. After you finish editing your new widget header and adjust all the stuff, what you can do is to ensure the header looks great on all devices, into a computer, into an iPad, and as well into a mobile. So once you've finished doing all of this process, then what I can do is to go here and to preview the changes to make sure before I publish it, it actually looks really great. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can now save and publish your header. Your update header will now be live on your website. So I'm going to save the draft and I publish this later. So there you have it, guys. You have just learned how to edit a header using the Elementor. So for more practical tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all this being said, continue to a brand new section of TaxPress, guys. See you next time.